stuff like that. So we've had there's groups up there that we had this morning. So I'm not sure if we have another one that's on your same time slot, but you guys should be able to enjoy some personal time.
Cool.
Hold on to it because you don't want.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's this big glacier lake, and you can there's a boat ramp and this beautiful beach. It's really cold. It's beautiful water.
We good?
I don't know.
On the action shot?
It's not cold to me, but
what are we about to do anyway so that our video public knows?
We are about to take a helicopter to a glacier and do some dog sledding and some puppy cuddling.
Puppy cuddling. Yeah, because we miss our dogs, right? How many days have we been away from home? Like 6 days now?
Yeah.
nice hike. It must have
So we
taken
miss our
like an
dogs.
hour.
So.
You need a boat to get there, right?
Yeah.
Ready to go. goodness. This is not the walk for a guy with a sprained toe. Ah, don't take pictures of me like this. Ah, good Lord. All right, that's what we just did. We came from the red thing. And through that, which is scary. Anyway, we're here. Hello.
Do you guys have anybody else in your party you're waiting for?
He does.
Got
You
3
do?
more.
And then are you two a party of one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, awesome. So the dogs are out on the run right now. So we're gonna just hang out with the puppies for a little bit, and then whenever they get back in, then we can hop out on the ride.
Okay.
If you guys want to see the puppies. Oh, watch your head,
Yeah,
sorry.
watch your head.
I
Yeah,
forget,
thanks.
I'm really big, so I forget to warn people.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm a giant person. So. Oh,
It's okay.
this is a new one on me. All right, there we go.
Right. And so the girl is the lighter colored one, and her name is Casio, and then the boy is Rolex. So they're the
Hey,
watchdogs.
Cassie. Let me get down there with you. Hey, baby. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hey.
Their mom is Rose,
Hi.
and she's out on a run right now.
Hi, I don't have any food for you.
So
I don't have any food for you. Oh my God.
Yeah, so we call them Alaskan Huskies, and they're really a mixed breed. Over the years, they were bred with all kinds of different dogs, just looking to get, performance. We didn't care what they looked like. We just wanted them to be good eaters and like to run and pull. You were being mean to your sister.
Oh, puppy teeth. No, I am.
Oh, did he get you?
No, we're used to it.
My passion is for really old dogs. So
You bit me, you little stinker. You're a biter too.
they're
You're
just
a
like
biter
their mama.
too. Oh, we're gonna get home and they're gonna smell puppy all over me.
Oh yes.
Our dogs are gonna be nuts. You're a biter, and you went in my pocket looking for treats. You stinker.
Oh, you can find something, huh? You sweet
I
old
miss my
girl.
dog. It's a phone. Uh-oh, this one thinks I have food. She keeps going to my pot. Look, she keeps going to my pot. Yes, at one point I had food in there. Sure I did.
Like days ago.
No.
Just happened.
Where's your chew toys? Where's your chew toys? Oh, you're still trying to get in there?
She said, I know there's something good in there to chew on.
Stop! Ow! Yeah. All right, you two. We had fun.
The run, and then whenever it's time to go again, they hop up and start barking, and they're ready
How do you
to
get them
go.
pumped up? Is there like, do you get treats or is there?
Nope. So they love to run, so I just kind of let them know they're gonna run.
Oh.
And the command for that, whenever I'm asking them to go, is ready. So I'll just kind of use a high-pitched voice and go ready, 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 and then they'll all kind of pop up.
It's kind of like us saying, you guys want to go to the dog park?
Yeah, exactly.
And then they're like, oh, you kidding me?
Yeah, they're like, oh, you're so ready.
We've been ready for days, Daddy.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna sit here because there's something to hold on to in
Yeah,
front.
that is good. I always get, a little nervous because I know this is a great seat, but then I'm like, you can't really hold on to anything if you feel like you're just...
Do you want me to sit up there? Cause
No,
yeah,
because you're taller.
yeah, but I want to take some film of the dogs running. This one hates us. Either that or he's jealous that his friends are going riding and he's not going to get to go.
Who's ready? Who's ready, Pop? Who's ready? You ready?
Some of them.
Who's ready? Good dogs. Good dogs. I love you, baby. Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Good girls.
They're like, I guess.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Mama. Rosie's the mom of the babies.
Oh, hey Rosie, your kids are cute.
I so
Is it okay that they're all tangled up? Oh, you know what you're doing. Well, oh, they're all like just,
untangle themselves. If there's a big tangle,
they're ready to go.
they are. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out my snow hook, and then we'll be on our way. Get a little closer to me.
Uh-oh.
And here we go. Ready?
Whoa.
All right. Yeah. Good job, guys.
teaching us.
G.
Toot.
Good dogs. All right, we're on the main trail now. Good pups. And so in the lead, we have Phasma on the left and Kara on the right. They are okay leaders together. They're not my best leader combo, but that's why we're running them together, because they need to practice.
Right.
So every run is a training run. My two best leaders that I have on this team are Toby and Hooper, and they are on the team, so it's always good to have a backup. You know, I want to be able to put them up in lead if I ever, need to swap someone out. And I have a lot of other backup leaders too. Typically, dogs that can run and lead will run closer to the front, and they'll be kind of like a backup and support for the leaders. And then we have more of our power in the back. So Rosie in the back right keeps them on with the puppies. She is a driving force back there.
She's
Rosie.
crushing it. Like, she's like, I just had 2 babies. Screw that.
She's like, I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go, man. And it looks like almost like the sled's not going fast enough for her.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, come on.
She's wild. And that's actually something where, everybody else is kind of pacing themselves. And
Not
she's
her.
not, yeah. So she'll learn. She's pretty young, so she's 2. She'll learn that she can't keep that up forever. So,
Right.
When she is doing longer runs, she's going to wear out a little faster than everybody else. And then she'll figure out, okay, I can't speed all the time.
I love how they just move on the run.
Oh, isn't that impressive? I wish I could do that.
Just go whenever. But you're at the bus stop. I don't care. I'm on my way to work.
I don't have time to stop.
Right?
They're so funny. Right now we have 12 dogs, which when you're going out for training runs and fun runs, is a really good number to run. But when you're racing, you're usually going to have 14.
Do these dogs race?
They do, yeah. So Havoc, she's in the back left next to Rosie. She ran an Iditarod this last winter. She has a little red tag on her collar that says ITC 2021, which is Iditarod Trail Committee. And then each dog gets kind of their own number for the race. So.
Is that why she's just kind of like barely moving? She's like, this isn't real.
Yeah, she's
This
like,
is not a real race. Yeah.
Yeah, she's a funny girl. And she's a guy's potential for being a good leader. This girl.
She's like, calm down, Rosie. I mean, Jesus. Like, this is a practice run.
She's like, don't waste all your energy.
Yeah, you're burning it. Lord.
She loves the dogs. I do have just a couple of shy ones, but you work with dogs, you know what that looks like. If you see one kind of ducking away from you, move on to the next.
I would never bother somebody while they were working.
Oh, that's good. Are you kidding me?
Rosie, you stay away from him.
Yeah,
Stay away
no more
from him,
babies,
Rosie.
Rosie, please. We have enough of babies. She's like, you had those little monsters with you? She was so ready to be away from them.
Rosie, you are sweet. You are a sweet looking girl.
I love her.
Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. And wait, is this Rosie's baby dad? Oh no, wait, that's Mama. Sorry, you only run women.
That's okay. Yeah, I've got 2 boys, and my boys are the all black one, or mostly black one, closer to the back, and then Cooper is the white and brown one. So 2 boys.
You're on film, doggy. Sorry, but you're gorgeous. You're all so cute.
That's Kayak wagging her tail at you.
Kayak's okay to pet?
Yep, he loves attention.
Hey, Kayak. Hi, Kayak. Hey, he's a good girl. He's a good girl, right? Hey, baby, I don't have any treats. Thank you for slobbering on me. That was wonderful. I've never pet a sled dog before. You look like you're mischievous there, Miss. Oh, Mr. Hooper's yeah. I could. Somebody gets into trouble.
He does. So he's actually one of my best leaders. He's my only male leader.
There you go. Okay.
Okay, are you good?
Yes, I'm scared, but go ahead.
You're gonna do great. So just to take off, stand on the runners, and then you'll move back onto the front end.
Okay.
So you can stand on your side. Ready? All right. Okay, now you're gonna move back onto that drag mat. There, cruising. Okay, and we're gonna get them back to a good speed. So we're gonna keep them going slow, and then once they start all trotting, then we'll ease up on them. Okay, they're looking good. They're settling in now. Perfect. You can stand on the runners again.
All right.
If they start speeding up again, I'll let you know, but
Okay.
right now they're perfect. How's it feel?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels weird, but good.
This is a nice easy trail, so nothing too crazy. In the wintertime, you might be ducking and weaving through trees.
I bet.
It's a lot of fun. Good dogs.
So, have you ever had anybody fall right off the back of the thing while you're letting them do something silly as this?
It does happen sometimes. I'm really good at doing a little flip over to the back.
Right.
Usually people are good at holding on.
Yeah, when it's holding on for dear life like this.
Yes. And I want you to slow them down just a smidge.
Whoa. Okay.
Perfect. They're going at a good speed now.
Okay.
Yeah. If they're loping, they'll wear out too fast.
Yes.
So now that they're trotting again, that's perfect. And you can stand on the runners again.
Back up.
If they stay at this pace, if they start loping again, you'll go back on it.
Okay.
Good dogs.
Good doggies. The one time in my life it's okay for a dog to drag me while we're out for a walk. Well,
we'll
and here
use
they
the
go
drag
again.
mat Yeah, they got excited.
I said good dogs and they got excited. Is
Yes.
that's in their repertoire, I'm guessing?
They know good dogs and bad dogs. And then we'll go a little bit further, but then we'll stop and give them a little resting some snow.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go ahead and stop here.
Okay.
So go ahead and use that brake. Easy whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Easy whoa.
Whoa.
Perfect. That was awesome.
I did it.
You did it. You're a dog musher now.
Right. Right. Oh, and it's pee immediately.
Yep.
Love it. That was great. That was. We'll put that in there as one of the top, at least 15 cool things I've done in my life.
Oh, that's awesome.
Driving a dog sled with the assistance of a professional, obviously. Good doggies.
On the snow hook, we'll just drive them.
I mean, they are ready to go, like especially the middle dogs.
Ready? All right.
Oh, yeah, that's it. They're like, come on.
And I'm still standing on the brake technically.
What?
I have my snow hook up, but I'm on the brake.
They're like, this is what we were born to do. Stop screwing with us. Good dogs. Except Rosie. Rosie's out of control, man. Oh, she's going to be trouble. She's that 16-year-old daughter that you're like, man, why couldn't we have just stopped with the 2 kids? We had 2 good sons, and now we had Rosie who's nuts.
She's a wild child.
You did so well. You're the best dog running dog I ever saw dog running.
She's like, yes, tell me more.
You're gonna have a great career at this. You're gonna get lots of treats
It has
and a whole salmon on your birthday. Hey, cutie pie. Hi. Yeah, you did so good. Don't tell the other dogs, but you did the best.
Already. And then we have some younger dogs in training that are going to be running it for the first time this March coming up. And then there's other dogs too where, you know, they love to do this, but they're not quite 1,000-mile race material. So they're super happy getting to do these runs and get their exercise. But then when it comes to those big races, they're like, you know, I lost out on that one. You
Cool. All right. You get your headset up to your left. Yep. There you go.